Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change PHP memory limit in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and then open File Manager. And open public HTML. Then open WP includes folder, and inside this folder search for default constants. Select this file default constants.php, then click on edit, then scroll down slowly, and here you will find this option WP memory limit and WP memory limit. So from here I'm going to change this 64 MB its current limit size. So I'm deleting and putting 120, and here 120 MB. So the memory limit has been changed. Now click on Save Changes. So that's it. This is how we can change PHP memory limit in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.